What happens when you let students use generative AI in astronomy class, but ban it completely on exams? A team at Harvard spent a semester finding out. AI tools like ChatGPT are everywhere now, but can they actually help students learn science, or do they just make it easier to skip the hard parts? A team at Harvard tried 7 different approaches to using generative AI in an introductory astronomy course with 14 students and shared what they learned. So what did they find? 1. In a small end-of-course survey, students rated AI-powered code generation and debugging as the most valuable tool. It was directly tied to hands-on data analysis in Python notebooks. 2. Structured, task-specific AI use was rated higher than open-ended use. Students saw less value in free-form AI exploration, but responded well to guided prompts embedded in Python notebooks. 3. A Slack channel with an AI bot grounded in the textbook saw little uptake. The authors speculate students may have been reluctant to ask questions in a public channel. 4. Exams were proctored with no electronics allowed. This was designed to motivate students to build independent mastery of the material alongside the AI skills. 5. On the midterm, there was no statistically significant difference between topics learned with AI and those learned without, though the authors caution the sample was small and statistical power was the takeaway. AI appears to work best in the classroom when it's structured, task-specific, and paired with accountability measures like proctored exams, and students need to hear why they're using AI early on. The team found motivation and buy-in improved significantly after the rationale was explained. Some important context, though. This was a 14-student class, and the survey had only 5 respondents. The authors are upfront that this is a qualitative case study, not a controlled experiment. The team's notebooks and data are free on GitHub. Link below. Like and subscribe for more science breakdowns in under 2 minutes.